Welcome back, Fly Vegans. Today I'm going to roast the watermelon.
You gonna roast what?
I want to start with this watermelon. It's about 5 pounds. I'm going to peel it with a potato peeler. And now I'm going to score the top of the watermelon. I want to put this on a baking sheet and rub some chipotle seasoning on top. Then I'm going to place this in the oven on 350 degrees for 3 hours. While the watermelon is cooking, I want to make a sauce. I want to use soy sauce, some liquid smoke, thyme, and olive oil. When the roast is done cooking, I'll add the sauce. Then I'll place it back into the oven. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget
To subscribe.